Today's videocast deals with identifying numbers of significant digits. Our objective is to identify the number of significant digits in a number. The rules are all non-zero digits are considered significant. Those would be the numbers 1 through 9. So the question is, when is 0 considered significant and when is it not? All zeros in front of the first significant digit are not considered significant. Only count zeros at the end of a number if there's a decimal present. There's also one additional rule, and that is all zeros between significant digits are considered significant. So when we take a look at the number 1040, we find that there are 3 significant digits in this number. The first one is the 1, the 0, and the 4. 1 and 4 are automatically considered significant. This 0 here in between is considered significant because it has been measured. This 0 at the end is not considered significant. There's no decimal at the end, so we're not going to count that 0. So we have 3 significant figures in this number. In the next number, 103,000, again we find that there are 3 significant digits. The first one is a 1, the 0, and the 3. This 0 has been counted because we have a 1 in front, we have a 3 behind, and so we know that there are zeros, 0 10,000s in that place. But the question is, when are these zeros at the end considered significant? 0, 0, 0. They are not. There's no decimal present, so we don't count zeros at the front of a number. In this value here, we have 3 significant digits. We do not count the zeros at the beginning of a number. Instead, we start at the first significant digit, which is a 3. So we have a 3, the 2, and the 1. In this number here, again, we don't count the zeros in front. And instead, we have 5 significant digits. We have a decimal present, so we're going to count the zeros at the end. So we have a 3, 1, 4, 0, 0. None of the zeros at the beginning are considered significant because we never count zeros at the beginning of a number. In the number 2320, it's similar to the 1040 that we had up at the top. The 2, the 3, and the 2 are considered significant. Since there is no decimal present, we do not count zeros at the end. Now this number, we do have a decimal present, and so therefore there's going to be 4 significant digits here. A 2, a 3, a 2, and a 0. That decimal means that we're going to count all of the zeros at the end of this value. Now finally we have 2320.00. There are 6 significant figures here. Again, the 2, the 3, and the 2 are considered significant. Since there's a decimal present, we will count then all of the zeros at the end. So there would be 6 significant digits in this number.